Oh my god. Jesus Christ. They just hit those two cars. Oh my god.
Till my dying day was how he put that church back on the narrow way with a half-crazed Mississippi squirrel. And the day the squirrel went berserk in the first self-righteous church in that sleepy little town of Pascagoula. It was a fight for survival that broke out.
What are you doing? Samar, stop!
What happened?
He just came out of nowhere and just started raining.
Me, no, we need to get details. Me, no, we need to get details.
Jesus Christ! Holy shit.
Damn it.
That wasn't my fault. That was there.
Are you smoking?